Hello, I'm Kate Lubbe, a digital marketing associate at Marcel Digital. Now, let me ask you, does your B2B company depend on clients in specific regions? If the answer is yes, then local SEO might just be your secret weapon for increasing visibility and attracting high-quality leads. Today, I want to share the essentials of local SEO and how it can help your business stand out. So, to begin, what is local SEO? In simple terms, it's all about improving your business's online visibility for location-specific searches. Think about someone typing IT consulting in Chicago or logistics providers near me into Google. Local SEO helps make sure your business shows up in those searches, bringing the right traffic straight to your door. Now, why does local SEO matter so much for B2B companies? First, it's great for attracting high-intent leads. When someone searches locally, they're often looking for a solution right away, which makes them more likely to convert. Second, it helps you stand out in your area. Let's face it, many B2B companies overlook local SEO, so this is your chance to get ahead of competitors. And finally, it builds trust. A strong local presence reassures potential clients that you're a reliable option in their region. Now, do you want to succeed in local SEO? Focus on these 4 key steps. First, optimize your Google business profile. Make sure your name, address, hours, and categories are correct, and don't forget to add some images. Second, use local keywords. Include phrases like your service in this city throughout your site and in meta descriptions. Third, get those reviews. Ask happy clients to leave positive reviews on Google. It boosts trust and your rankings. Finally, create localized content. Share blogs, case studies, and other content that showcases your expertise in specific areas. At the end of the day, local SEO is a game changer for B2B companies looking to grow their regional presence and boost visibility. If you are ready to take your local presence to the next level, reach out to us at Marcel Digital. We'd love to help you get there. Thank you.